Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll show you kung paano mag-set up ng auto-reply sa iyong Facebook page para makasave ka ng time sa pag-reply ng mga enquiries na paulit-ulit lang ng mga questions guys. So at least, kung naka-auto-reply ang iyong Facebook page, makakasave ka talaga ng time. But before we start, hit like and subscribe. Alright, let's start after this intro. Okay, so first step, go to your Facebook profile. Select the page kung saan gusto mo mag-set up ng auto-reply, okay? So for this tutorial guys, so ito guys, so kasi bago lang to, wala pa talaga ako na-set up na auto-reply. Alright, so once you're here in your page, okay, so click this one. And then click this one, okay? So once na nasa iyong page timeline ka na, i-click mo itong Meta Business Suite. Okay, and then next, click inbox. Click inbox, alright? Okay, so nakita niyo guys, so blanco pa talaga siya. So wala pa naka-set up na auto-reply sa page na to. Kasi bago to at hindi na nagamit guys. Okay, so after that, i-click mo ito guys, itong portion na to. Okay, so nakalagay automations. Okay. So, nandito ka na. We're ready now to create automation or set up our auto-reply sa ating Facebook page. So, ang importante lang guys na malagyan yun ng auto-reply. For me, tatlo lang na ang importante. So, yung iba, depende na sa'yo kung lalagyan mo pa ng auto-reply. For me guys, ang importante lang is ito. Instant reply, away message, and the frequently asked questions. Nawala dito. Pagka lalabasin mamaya guys. So ito muna, instant reply. Okay, so reply with a greetings when someone messages you for the first time. Itong instant reply is welcome message to. So i-welcome mo sila sa iyong page. Okay, so i-click mo itong try it. Okay, click. As you can see guys, dito sa gilid, sa right portion, may ano na siya, may naka-prepare na siya na template. Pwede itong gamitin mo or pwede rin gumawa ka ng ibang message. Pwede kang gumawa ng iyong own instant reply. Okay, so pwede rin ito. Okay, so for example, gagawa tayo Okay, for example, ito, syempre, welcome message to, so may hi. And then, pwede mo rin lagyan ng personalization. Lagyan mo ng name. Okay, may name niya na nakalagay. Personalize your message. Click this one. And then pumili ka, first name lang ba ng recipient or last name of recipient or full name of recipient. Ito usually ginagamit, first name lang. Click mo to. Then add. Okay, nandito na. Hi Robbie. Robbie kasi yung name ko. And then pag ibang mag-message, yung name nilang malalagay dyan. Then type mo na yung instant reply. For example, welcome to our page. Pwede yung habaan So for this one, ito lang muna. So pwede mo lagyan ng emoji. And then after that, once makagawa ka na ng instant reply, save changes. Okay? And then, okay, so ito yung instant reply na nagawa natin guys, ginawa natin kanina. Make sure na i-on mo to. I-on. Swipe this one para ma-on siya guys. Alright. So, automatic na yan. Magre-reply na yan siya pag may mag-message sa yung page. And then, the next one is this one. Away message. For example, wala ka, busy ka. So, at least may mag-reply ng away message na wala ka, no? To inform them na hindi ka muna makareply. Right? So, click this one. Try it. And then, like kanina guys, may template na rin. May ready-made template na rin for the away message. It's up to you kung ito yung gagamitin mo or gagawa ka ng ibang message for this. Okay, so dito na. Thank you for your message. We're away and can't respond right now. We appreciate your reaching out. Alright, so pwede mo na dagdagan guys or pwede mo palitan. For example, dagdagan mo ng if you have urgent questions. Okay, if you have urgent questions, okay, so feel free to contact us at blah 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 blah. Okay, So put your number and then para i-contact ka na lang nila once hindi ka available sa iyong page. After that, save changes. Ayan, then the last one is frequently asked questions. Usually may mga tanong sila na paulit-ulit lang. So ito yung pinaka-importante guys. Dito mo masasagot yung mga katanungan nila. Every time mag-message sila, masasagot na yung mga tanong nila. Kasi naka-automate, naka-auto-reply na. So, mag-reply ka lang nila kung may mga follow-up questions sila. Okay? Kasi nasagot na sa auto-reply dito sa part na to. Frequently asked questions. Okay? So, edit mo to. Okay. So, ito guys. Dito mo ilalagay yung question. Okay? Okay. So, lagay ka ng question dito. And then, edit mo to. Okay. So, for example, what are your products? Alright. And then, dito yung reply mo. Okay? So, for example na to guys. So, gaya sa ating ginawa kanina guys, pwede ka maglagay ng, pwede ka mag-insert emoji or pwede mo na yung personalize your message. Lagyan mo ng name niya dito. No? Anyway, pwede ka maglagay ng photo of your products guys. Okay, so i-click mo lang itong add media. So choose the products na gusto mo ilagay dito guys sa portion na to. Okay, and then kung gusto mo magdagdag ng another question, okay, so i-click mo lang ito, add another question. So kanina is ano yun, what are your products? So for our question number 2, okay, edit mo to guys, where are you located? Okay, so ang yung reply naman is dito mo naman ilagay. No? Again, pwede ka maglagay ng photo sa iyong location kung may physical store ka. Then usually guys, tatlong questions ang ilalagay natin. Add another question and then edit. How much are your products? Again, dito yung sagot niyo sa message part. After that, once na-set up mo na yung frequently asked questions mo, and automatic naka-on na siya guys, and then click save changes. Alright? Okay, successfully saved na siya guys. So may instant reply na tayo, may frequently asked questions, and away message. Alright, so done at ating pag-set up ng auto-reply sa ating Facebook page. Ganyan lang kadali. And it's up to you kung lalagyan mo pa to ng auto-reply, itong na remaining ng mga automations options guys. It's up to you to explore. So ito, may hours, location, contact information, positive feedback. Kung may mag-feedback o may mag-review sa iyong page, automatic na may mag-reply. Kung may negative feedback naman, so may automatic na mag-reply ng sorry for your inconvenience, mga ganyan. It's up to you na lang talaga to discover guys. So for this tutorials, yung tatlong pinaka-importante na dapat may auto-reply ka para pag may mag-message sa iyong page, automatic may mag-reply na. So kung may follow-up questions, so wala doon sa frequently asked questions, o doon ka na magsimulang mag-reply sa kanila.
And that's all for today's tutorial. If you learned from this video, please hit like and subscribe. And click the notification bell para ma-update ka kaagad kapag may bago na naman akong tutorial na i-upload. Alright, so thanks for watching guys. God bless and enjoy life!